Alright, so basically what we're doing, me anyway, is cutting these up small enough to fit in a 30-yard dumpster. Because it ain't worth anybody coming to get them. There's only a few. By which I mean 8, 9. All right, so that's how I buck logs with wedges if I don't want the bar touching the dirt. Generally what I'll do is get the wedge to launch out of there on its own. As I wait till I'm cutting almost halfway down the log, I'll stick that wedge in there, hit it in there, and keep cutting the way through, and it'll actually pick that log up a little bit and get it off the ground. You can do this without a wedge. I mean, I do it all the time. I'm just showing you, if you're not used to running chainsaw, that's how you can do it, using them things, so you don't pinch your bar in there every single time.
I want to pinch.
And it keeps it from hitting the dirt. I found my wedge. I guess I should have showed you guys how I got it out of there, because it was stuck down inside there. I couldn't get my hands in there to get it, but I'll show you what you do, because that happens sometimes. Yeah, there, vine. Stick your axe in there, turn it sideways like this, and pull those logs apart. Then stick your hand in there, so when you let go of the axe, it smushes it. So videos like this where it's kind of informative, I'll actually come in like on a Saturday or something, or like today, not on the clock or anything, because I'm not going to be out here on company time making videos, but I'll just come in because I like running chainsaw and showing you guys what I do. So I'll just come in here and cut up some wood and everything, and just on my own time and stuff, and help out the guys I work with by getting this out of the way ready for Monday and stuff. And I had nothing going on today anyway, and it's just a lot of fun showing you guys what I do. But I hope you enjoyed this video. See you around. Alright, so the reason why I was using wedges is because I don't have a machine up here to get these things out of the dirt. And when you stick your wedge in here, when you make your cut halfway down the log, stick your wedge in there. When you pound it in there with your axe or a little sledgehammer, whatever you have, it's actually going to hold this open here, so don't pinch your bar. Plus, it's going to pick this log up off the dirt by even like a ½ inch to an inch, depending on it. Even if it's a big log, it'll do the same thing. It'll keep your bar from getting down on the dirt. Usually when I have my excavator, I just take the bucket, stick the teeth under there, and it gets it up out of the ground so I don't dull the chain. But that's when wedges are good. If you're out middle of nowhere with no machine, it'll pick that thing right up off the ground, about an inch, if you pound it in there right. Then once you stick your bar in there, continue your cut down, the wedge should shoot right out of there. Sometimes it don't, but it's pretty handy when it does.